Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equal to 6. xy is equal to 36. To find the values of x and y's from these two systems of equations. Now, in the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Then from equation 1, whereas equation 1, it is this x plus y is equal to 6. Then we'll take this x into this side, so it will be y is equal to x will take to this side to be 6 minus x. Then from equation 2, in step 2, we'll take this equation 2 as equation 2, it is this x y is equal to 36. Then we substitute the value of y, which is this 6 minus x. So it will be x, then times y, we substitute this here to be bracket 6 minus x, bracket is equal to this 36. Then it will be x times 6, it is 6x. X times negative x is negative x square is equal to this 36. Then we'll take this 36 into this side. So we start by this negative x square, then plus 6x. 36 will take to this side to be minus 36 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, here this negative x square will make this positive. So we'll divide the whole equation by negative 1. Then it will be negative x squared divided by negative 1. It is positive x squared. Positive 6x divided by negative 1 is negative 6x. Negative 36 divided by negative 1, it is positive 36 is equal to 0 divided by negative 1, it is 0. Then from this quadratic equation, to find the values of x, we will use quadratic formula. Now from quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then it will be x is equal to negative b. b is coefficient of x, which is negative 6x. So here to be bracket negative 6x plus or minus square root of b square. It will be negative 6 bracket square, then minus 4 times a. It is coefficient of x square, which is 1. So here times 1 times c is constant, 36. Then over 2 times a it is 1. Then it will be x is equal to negative 6. It will be positive 6 plus or minus square root of negative 6 square. It is positive 36. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 36, it will be negative 4 times 6 is 24. Goes to 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Then over this time this is 2. Then it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of this minus this. Here it will be negative. Here we borrow 1, it will be 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Here 4, we borrowed 1, it will be 3. 3 minus 3, it is 0, then 1. Then over this 2. Then it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root. We find the factors of this 108. So from 108 is divisible by 2. So here divide by 2. This divide by 2 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then it is divisible by 2. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Here it is divisible by 3. 27 divided by 3, it is 9. Then divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then from here, we make into squares. Now here it will be 2 times 2 is 2 square. So here it will be 2 square times here 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 power of 3. So to make into square, it will be 3 power of 2 times 3. Then because of this negative here, we'll take here times -1. Then over this 2. Then it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 2 square, it is 2, times square root of 3 square, it is 3, then times square root of 3, then times square root of -1, it is I, then over this 2. Then in the next step, it will be x is equal to 6 plus or minus here 2. Here it will be 2 times 3, so 2 times 3, then times I, so it will be 3I, then times this square root of 3. Then we divide by 2 in this part and in this part, so here will be divided by 2 and here will be divided by 2. Then in the next step, from here it will be x is equal to 6 divided by 2, it is 3 plus or minus. Here we place it like this, 2 times 3i, so you can simplify this and this will cancel, so it will be this, which is 3i square root of 3. So here we have two values of x because of plus or minus. Then to find the values of y, we recall before we let that y it is this, y it is 6 minus x. So let's write the first value of y and first here, when the first value of x, it will be x1 is equal to 3 plus 3i square root of 3. So here 3 plus 3i square root of 3, and the second value of x is equal to 3 minus 3i square root of 3. So here 3 minus 3i square root of 3. Then to find the values of y, we recall before here we let y it is 6 minus x. So from y is equal to 6 minus x, then into this first solution here, it will be to find the y1, it will be equal to 6 minus x, it is this. So here it will be 3 plus 3i square root of 3. Then it will be y1 is equal to 6. We take negative inside the bracket, so it will be minus 3 minus 3i square root of 3. Then it will be y1 is equal to 6 minus 3, it is 3, then this minus 3i square root of 3. So into here we'll get the value of x1 and value of y1. So the conclusion for the first solution, it will be x1 comma y1 is equal to x1, it is this 3 bracket 3 plus 3i square root of 3 comma y1, it is this 3 minus 3i square root of 3. Then from here x2, to find x2 from this y is equal to 6 minus x. So y, to find y2 here, y2 is equal to 6 minus x, x2 it is this, so it will be bracket 3 minus 3i square root of 3 bracket. So here it will be y2 is equal to 6, we take negative inside the bracket, it will be negative 3, negative and negative, it will be positive 3i square root of 3. Then it will be y2 is equal to 6 minus 3, it is 3, then plus 3i square root of 3. So here we got x2 and this value of y2. So our conclusion from second solution, it will be x2 comma y2 is equal to x2 it is this, so here it will be 3 minus 3i square root of 3 comma y2 it is this, so it will be 3 plus 3i square root of 3. So this is the conclusion from the second. We have two solutions into this our problem. First solution, second solution. Whereas the value of x from the first solution, it is the value of y from the second solution. The value of y from the first solution, it is the value of x from the second solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.